Yes, welcome back to my channel. This is SHIEG RAQUETERO, and now I'm going to show you the proper way of inserting image and inserting text here in the PowerPoint. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is look for the insert tab. Okay, as you can see here in the top left button of your left corner of your screen, we have the insert, and just simply click insert, and then, but of course, before that, you need to add some slides. Okay, so if you're experiencing like this, you just go to home and go to here in the right corner. We have the pin double ribbon, and then so now we have it. Okay, of course we cannot insert image without the slide, so you need to click the new slide and then select a slide. Okay, the we have different kinds of templates here, so all you need to do is select one. So for example, let's try the title and the content. Here you can easily write the text, for example, rows. And then of course we need the picture of the rows. All you need to do is go to insert again and look for the pictures inside the image. Okay, we have pictures, and of course we need the pictures from online pictures. Okay, so this device is the stock image, okay, meaning it's already saved in your computer. But this online pictures is we need the pictures from online, of course. So let's select this and then type. Just wait for a second, and then once it's open, up, write the rows. Okay, just simply write the rows and press or click enter key on your keyboard, and then now we have rows. Okay, so let's select this one and then go to insert, and then wait for a second. Now we have rows. Okay, so this is the easiest way how to insert pictures. But there's another way, no? Okay, you can also copy and paste from the Google, but this time uh, we get picture from online. Okay, so if you want to delete this one, just select first the white background, point your mouse pointer in this blank area or white background, then go to again move point your mouse pointer here in the text, and then select the line and delete. Okay, to delete that um, text. Okay, so to resize the pictures, all you need to do is point your mouse pointer in the circle and hold the left button of your mouse and drag it down. Or now we have the picture becomes smaller, and if you want to make it bigger again, same way, point your mouse pointer in the circle and hold it and move up. Okay, move it up, or now we have the bigger picture. To delete the picture, it's very easy. For example, point your mouse pointer in the white blank white blank color, white color, or this area, as you can see, and then point your mouse pointer inside the pictures and press delete on your keyboard. Okay, we have delete. Find the delete key on your keyboard, or let's try if there's in. Okay, so yeah, only the delete keys on your keyboard to remove the pictures. If you want to remove also this, just select the line, point your mouse pointer here, exact area, and then delete. Okay, so now we don't have that square or rectangle. And then if you want to redo, just Control Z, hit the Control Z button, hold the Control and press the Z, or you can use this redo or undo. Okay, on top or on in the left top corner of your screen. Okay, so let's delete. Okay, and add pictures again. Go to insert pictures, online pictures. Okay, let's try again rows, enter, Only one rose. Flower. Let's add some. Okay, flower. Okay, so we have now a lot of pictures. We have a lot of choices. Okay, so we can choose this one, then insert it. All right, so now we have it. And then you can delete again the text. Just point your mouse pointer in the white color and then select again the text and delete. Okay, so we have rows. Now next, if you want to add more text, all you need to do is go to insert and look for the text area, this one here. Okay, and word art. We have a lot of option here, so you can select one. I'm going to select this color. As you can see, if you want to move this text, just point your mouse pointer in this line and click and hold the left button of your mouse and point and drag it anywhere you want. So for example here, and then release and double click the point your mouse pointer here and double click, and you can start um, writing the word, but you need to press the backspace. Okay, and then write, for example, my favorite flower. My favorite flower. Okay, so that is the easiest way in inserting text. Okay, so that is the best way or the easiest way in inserting how to insert text and images. Okay, so if you want to add more slides, just go to home. Don't forget, always click the home when you are in the insert. You need to go to home and select, go to slides and select this here and select the slide. If you want a blank slide, it's okay. If you want more, just select. Okay, or you can also right click, select one slide, right click, and duplicate or new slides. Yes, sir.